Welcome back, everybody, and thanks again for joining us on this incredibly hot day here in Central Texas. Meteorologist Freddy Vela is tracking some of the temperatures for us. And Freddy, we are about to enter what I think is the hottest time of our year. Is that correct?
Yeah, it is some of the hottest temperatures that we have overall, and it stays consistent. And that's unfortunately what we're looking at. In fact, as we look at that hot time of the year, 99 degrees. This runs all the way until August 14th, and that's the average high that we normally see in Austin. It's only downhill from here, but we have a couple of days to go until we actually get there. So you may be wondering, okay, well, what do you mean by average high? How do you get that? Well, we broke it all down for you. It's a 30-year average, and it incorporates daily highs and lows, and it helps identify the anomalies and trends. So some years we can tell whether we're cooler or warmer, whatever it may be, and it's updated every 10 years. The current one that we actually have right now actually runs from 1991 to the year 2020. And so between those days, we put them all together, and it gives us that idea of the normal highs and the normal lows and then the normal average. So you get all those mixed in, and based off of those 30 years, that's how we get that average high temperature of 99 degrees. And it's within certain time periods that we're able to see where that average high is. So this is where we reach that peak of it for that stretch of days, and that's 99 degrees. In fact, as we look at the next few days, we're actually getting closer and closer to the one day that has the most triple-digit days by far. And I'll show you that map or the graph in just a moment. But August 10th, since the beginning of recorded history in the Austin area, has had 42 triple-digit days. It's over 120-ish, 126 is roughly where. Hold on, let me do my math. Yeah, around 126, 127 days or years that we've been able to track. And out of all of those, 42 of them have had triple-digit days. And so this is what it looks like when you put together, you know, all the different days where we normally have triple-digit days. This runs all the way essentially from about May 1st all the way to the end of October. You can see that little peak there that we actually have. But this tracks how many days or how many each day how many triple-digit days each one of these days has actually had. And there's the peak. That right there is August 10th, and we're about to approach it in just a few days. It'll start to go down a bit more, but that doesn't mean that we're done. We had to get all the way into October to finally get away from triple-digit days. And even then, last year showed us you can not avoid them, especially as you get out towards the end of October. By the way, if you want more information on that, we can actually send you over to our website, KXAN.com. I have an article on there called Feel the Heat. It's the hottest average temperature period, and I break it all down for you, and you get a bit more information. So head on over there, KXAN.com. It's a great article that you can read. All right, bringing it back here. We're not hitting triple digits right now. 95 degrees is where we're at 4:15. Could we hit 96? Could we even hit 97? That's a strong possibility as well. So we'll wait to see when the official numbers start to come out. As we look at satellite and radar at this point, still seeing some rainfall. Corpus Christi down to the Rio Grande Valley, getting a lot of those thunderstorms that are picking up, some out towards Houston and out towards Beaumont as well. But as far as here within Central Texas, it's been pretty calm at this point. Temperatures for tomorrow will get very close to where we're at today, and even add on a couple of those degrees on there. 99 is what we're expecting in Austin. Everyone else said around 93 up to 99 degrees. So could you see a couple more showers today? It is possible, and this model is saying, well, maybe one or two will pop up. It's just that a lot of that moisture is still really stuck to the coast or out towards Houston or down towards Corpus. We just haven't seen anything build up, and with the daytime heating disappearing in just a couple of hours, I don't expect that we'll see very much. I'll play this out just a bit more as we get out towards tomorrow. I left on a 10% chance of rainfall for tomorrow itself because we still have some of the moisture that flows back in. But I feel like that high pressure system is going to take way too much of a hold here, and it won't allow for us to see any rainfall. So if we see any rainfall, I don't expect it'll be at 8 o'clock. I think it'll be more around 4 to 5 o'clock than anything else. But that high pressure is just essentially sitting there. It's not going to move, and that's what gives us those warmer conditions and the drier conditions as well. So a lot of that moisture should stay along the coast. Out in the Gulf, we say a few more showers as we get out towards Thursday into Friday into Saturday, but nothing really here. The main concern is going to be that heat index value, as I mentioned before, and now we have an update to some of those numbers. Up to 103 is going to be your feels like temperature for Austin for tomorrow, and pretty much the same from the metro out towards the eastern counties, with many other spots still feeling like it's over 100, even though it's only going to be about 93, 94 degrees. And then we do it all again as we get out towards Thursday. It's going going to feel even hotter than that for pretty much everyone at that point, where it'll feel like it's between 100 and 105. Let's go ahead and play out the tropics, because there's a lot going on out there right now. The latest numbers just coming in moments ago, and we have another update in just a bit, but we actually have an update on some of these numbers. 50% chance of that tropical wave off the coast of Africa. That one's the same. This one is the one that's different, the one out towards the east coast of the U.S. We're looking at a 40% chance of that developing over the next 7 days. And, of course, we have Dexter. That's still a tropical storm. 7-day forecast, 100 for Thursday, 100 for Friday. Saturday, 99. Could move that to 100 degrees. As we look out towards Sunday into Monday, we actually see the same thing, 100 to 99. But I may move all those to triple digits as well.
Freddie, thank you.